Welcome back, kids. In today's session, we will continue with the rest of the story of Lesson 5 of English Literature, that is Clever Raja. Alright? So, children, in the previous session, we discussed that one morning when Hari was about to go to village to sell vegetables with Raja, then suddenly he started feeling sick and he wanted to go back home. Also, he asked Raja to come along, but Raja refused. So Hari left him there and returned back home alone. Alright? Now let's continue with the next paragraph on page number 51. Let's read it. Raja went from one house to the next with the cart. He stopped at all the houses where they would stop every day. If nobody came out, Raja would stomp his hooves and neigh loudly. The villagers opened their doors. Even though they did not see Hari, they took the vegetables and put the money in the money box. So children, now Raja went himself with the cart from house to house to sell vegetables. He even stopped at all the houses at which Hari used to stop. If he saw that no one came out, then he used to stomp his hooves and neigh loudly. That means he used to produce sound with his feet and nose loudly. On hearing this, villagers come to know that Raja is out there and they open their doors. Now, even on seeing that Hari is not there with Raja, they took the vegetables from the cart and put the money in the money box. Is it clear? Now, come on to the next page and read the paragraph. After the sun went down, Raja came back home. Hari heard Raja's clip-clop and ran out. Hari was feeling better now. He was happy to see that all the vegetables had been sold. Hari gave Raja a big hug. Hari's wife fed juicy carrots to Raja. So, as earlier in the evening, Raja came back home. When he was out, Hari heard Raja's clip-clop and he rushed out. Now Hari's headache was better. Then he saw the empty cart as all the vegetables had been sold. On this, Hari gave Raja a big hug, and as a reward, Hari's wife fed juicy carrots to Raja. Alright? So children, from this story, you can realize how faithful the animals are to humans. Even if Raja's owner, that is Hari, was sick, he helped him in earning money. So children, with this we have completed this lesson. I hope you all enjoyed the story. Thank you so much.